How to take a screenshot on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to take a screenshot on Android. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So the first step is you can simply use the buttons in order to take a screenshot on an Android. Simply you have to press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for a couple of seconds. And then you will hear a camera shutter sound or see a brief animation indicating the screenshot has been captured. The screenshot will be saved in your Photos or Gallery app under the Screenshots folder. The second way is simply using the gesture if that is available on your device. You can simply swipe three fingers down on the screen in this way, and then the screenshot will be captured and saved automatically. If you wish to enable this feature, simply go to Settings, select the Additional Settings, and then a Screenshot. Here, you will see the different ways to take a screenshot. You can simply enable all the buttons like power and volume down buttons, three-finger touch and hold, and three-finger swipe down. Here you can see the tutorial as well. And if you wish to toggle on the screenshot sound, you can do that. And if you wish to delete original images after editing, you can toggle the button on as well. And here is the preview window location as well. You can set it anywhere. Once you do that, you can also use the quick settings. For that, you need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. And here, you need to locate the option for a screenshot. Simply, you can tap the screenshot icon and then it will capture the screen. Other thing, you can also use Google Assistance. So you can say, hey Google, take a screenshot, and the assistant will capture your screen. Now you can view, edit or share the screenshot from the notification that appears after capturing it. So these are the ways to take a screenshot on Android. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.